So let's start chapter 6, Computer Keyboard. In this chapter, we will be learning about alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, demonstrate the use of keys, and cursor. Children, you are expected to use your finger as a pointer and try to read along with me. We use a pencil or a pen to write in our notebook. Likewise, we need a keyboard to type numbers, characters, words, or sentences on our computer. Now, children, you must be writing with the help of a pencil in your notebooks. In the same way, when you use a desktop, laptop, your mobile, your tablet, you use keyboard. What is keyboard? Keyboard is an input device, a device through which you are able to type numbers, characters, words, or sentences on a computer. And when you type, the display is on the monitor. I hope you remember the monitor, and monitor is an output device, right? So let's see what is there in the keyboard. There are three types of keys on a keyboard. Number one, alphabet keys. Number two, number keys. Number three, special keys. Now let's see what are the alphabet keys today. The alphabet keys are used to type letters or words and sentences. These keys are 26 in number. Now children, let me show you an on-screen keyboard. Now this on-screen keyboard will help you to recognize the alphabet keys, which are starting from small a to small z, and they are placed randomly, right? They are not in order. Now in order to capitalize the alphabet keys, which keys use? The key which I am highlighting, yes, the caps lock key. The moment you click the caps lock key, the alphabet keys become capitalized, and the moment you inactive it, right, you don't want to use it, you press it again and all the alphabet keys become small letters. So this is how you can use the alphabet keys. Now I will open Wordpad application and will type a sentence for you, right? So let's see. Now I will type a simple sentence: computer is a machine. So computer, C, the first alphabet should be capital. So what I use? Caps lock key on, C capital. Caps lock key off. Now I want all the alphabets to be in small letter, right? C, what is the spelling of computer? COMPUTER. Computer is a machine. Now it is a sentence, so I do require a space, and what helps me for that? It is a long key, the longest key on the keyboard, the spacebar key. Computer is a machine. So you can see that I am using all the alphabet keys in order to type the sentence. Now it is a sentence, I do require a full stop. So what do? I put a full stop with the help of this key, and the full stop is there. So this is how you can type alphabets with the help of the alphabet keys. Children, today we will be continuing chapter 6, Computer Keyboard. In the last class, we discussed about the alphabet keys. Let's revise what we had done in the previous class first of all. There are three types of keys on a keyboard: alphabet keys, number keys, special keys. Now this is a picture of a keyboard. Everyone must have opened their laptop or a desktop and must be using a keyboard, right? So let's revise what we had done in the previous class. We had done alphabet keys. The alphabet keys are used to type letters, words or sentences. They are 26 in number. Now, let me open the app on screen keyboard. These are all alphabet keys starting from A to Z and they are randomly placed, right? In order to capitalize these words, these alphabets, I use what? I use a caps lock key. And the moment I use a caps lock key, all these alphabets become what? Capital. Very good. And if I want in small, I need to press it again. Means I need to deactivate it and all the alphabets become small letter, right? Now let me come to the next key. And what is the next key? It is the number keys. What are number keys? I hope you remember the numbers, right? What are the, how many single digit numbers are there? Starting from 0 to 9, right? So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0, it comes up to 10. So let's see. The number keys are used to type numbers. These are marked from 0 to 9. These keys are 10 in number, right? So if I have a look to the on-screen keyboard, we can see the number keys which are 10 in number, right? From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So in order to go for a double digit, I need to press 1 and 0 means 10. If I need to go for a number that is 78, I need to press a single digit 7, a single digit 8 and then only I can get the number 78. Now let me show this on the application that is Wordpad application, right? I hope you remember this application and this cursor which is blinking, this line which is blinking, this is known as the cursor, right? Let me increase the font size. I hope you remember how to increase the font size. We had discussed it before. Now, let me type both the alphabet keys and the number keys today. 1. 1 is the number key. Now I need to have a space. Now let me type the spelling of 1. What I do? O should be capital, caps lock key on, then of 1. I need to go to the next line. What I do? Which key? Enter key. Yes, so this is a key to go to the next line. 2. Space, caps lock key on, T capital, caps lock key off, spelling of 2, T-W-O, right? Next, 3, spacebar key, a key which is the longest key on the keyboard, right? And has no name. And this key is called spacebar key, which gives you space between alphabets, numbers, digits, symbols, right? Spacebar key. What is the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E. Right? So this is how you use the alphabet keys, the spacebar key, the enter key, and today we have learnt about number keys, right? Students, I have opened an application known as Wordpad application. It is an application through which we are able to type letters, numbers, and special characters which are there on the keyboard. Now, when I am typing something or when you are typing anything on the desktop, laptop, or gadget, you must be facing a problem that you have typed somewhere wrong. So, in order to erase those letters, those numbers, those special characters which are typed, you use backspace key. We use delete key. Now there are two keys which helps us to delete or erase these letters, numbers or special characters. Number one is the backspace key. Number two is the delete key. Now there is a difference between the two. With the help of the backspace key, we delete the letters, we delete the numbers, we delete the alphabets or the special characters from the left hand side of the cursor. Now, everyone raise up your left hand. Yes. Now, when I say the left hand side means the cursor, wherever is the cursor, it will erase from the left hand side. Now, let's come to the example. I am living in Delhi. It's perfectly okay. Let's say I I give another sentence. Computer is a machine. Now I know children I have done some mistakes. I have done three mistakes. Number one is the C. I have typed C. The spelling of computer is wrong. I have typed C two times. Now I have also typed A two times and full stop I have used two full stops. Now let me erase all these three mistakes with the help of the backspace key. Now where is the cursor right now? Yes, it is blinking over here. Now use the on-screen keyboard. Let's open the on-screen keyboard so that it is much more clear to you. Now where is the cursor? Over here. I'll use the left arrow cursor and want to delete the full stop. So I use what? A backspace key. Remember, a backspace key helps you to erase the letters, the numbers, the special characters from the left hand side. So where is your left hand? Very good. So in the same way, the backspace will erase from the left hand side. I click it. The moment I click, it erases from the left hand side. Very good. Now again I will go to the left arrow. Now can you see A? Now what is the spelling of A? A is single A. But by mistake I have typed two A's. So I'll erase it with the help of the backspace key. Yes, if you see, the backspace key erases from the left hand side. Again I am doing it. See, again I am doing it. There are two A's. The moment I click this backspace key, it erases from the left hand side. Very good. Now again, one more mistake is left out. Let me erase this. Small c should not be there, right? The arrow is, the cursor is on the in between small c and small o. I have to delete, I have to erase small c. So I use a backspace key and the small c erases from the left hand side. So this is how you will use a backspace key, right? Now let me discuss the second key, that is the delete key. Now what is delete key? Delete key erases letters, numbers or special characters from the right side of the cursor. Now raise up your right hand. Yes, it now the cursor, wherever is the cursor, it will delete from the right side of the cursor. I'll show one more example. Let's say example number 1. Let me show you the on-screen keyboard. What is the spelling of CPU? Central Processing Unit, right? C capital. Central Processing Unit. Now, you must have seen so many mistakes which I have done, right? I will be deleting it, erasing it with the help of the delete key, and will be correcting it also. And let's see what is the first mistake that I have done in the first word. Central A double A, it should be single A. Processing spelling is right. Now, can you see so much of space I've given in between the processing and the unit words. So I'll be deleting some of the space with the help of the delete key. And what is the spelling of the unit key? Unit, UNIT. It should not be UNET. It is wrong spelling. What is the correct spelling? UNIT. Right? So where is the cursor facing? Yes. So let me come to the left arrow. Now can you see this? Now what is the use of the what is the use of the delete key? It erases from the right hand side. So do I want to erase this letter? No, I want to erase E. So I'll shift my arrow key. What is the right side of it? E. Yes. So I'll use it. I'll click the delete key. You must have seen E gets deleted and I will type I. Now I will shift my cursor with the help of the delete key, and if you can see, all the spaces are erased from the right hand side. Very good. Now there is no mistake with the processing. I will use the left arrow key and will go over here. Now where is the A? Where is the mistake in the first word? Central. There should be only single A. So I have to delete this A, which is on the right hand side. I will delete it with the help of the delete key. Right? So this is the working of the delete key and the backspace key. A delete key helps you to delete from the right hand side, and the backspace key helps you to delete from the left hand side. Right?